What's up everyone, I'm Tony Carbajal. Welcome to the channel if you're new, and for those of you that are not new, I appreciate you guys sticking around. I know it's been a little while since I've dished out some content for you guys. I appreciate you still being here. I appreciate you sticking around. Alright, so the first thing I want to share with you guys is the fact that I will be at Malcolm Smith Motorsports this Thursday night from 6 to 9 p.m. Going to be performing stunt shows on this thing. We just wanted to have a bike night to kick off the summertime. Give everybody a chance to get together, hang out, watch some stunt shows. There's going to be a DJ, there's going to be raffles, there's going to be food. It's going to be fun for the whole family. So grab your friends, grab your family, come on out to Malcolm Smith Motorsports this Thursday, July 27th. Enjoy the show. I want to let you guys all know that if you do make it down to Malcolm Smith Motorsports, be sure to come to my booth and grab a raffle ticket. I got a lot of great prizes that we're going to be giving away. Everything from Icon Motorsports gear to Motool chain cleaning kits, some spray polish. We've got some ODI grips. We've got all kinds of goodies. So come by the booth, grab a raffle ticket. I think we'll have some merchandise for sale. If you buy a t-shirt or something, get an extra raffle ticket. So I hope you guys can make it out, enjoy the night with us, and hopefully take home some extra goodies. Next thing I want to share with you guys is this 2024 Kawasaki ZX6. Super excited to get my hands on this thing thanks to Delamo Motorsports. Looking forward to building this thing into a brand new stunt bike. I got all these parts lined up. It'll be a whole segment for another video. Looking forward to showing you guys what this new bike is all about and how I set it up to make it a full stunt bike. So with the motorcycle show being first up on the agenda, I've got some prep to do. One of those things, most importantly, is making sure that this bike is in tip-top shape and ready to perform. I have a bit of a pre-show checklist, some things I need to run through, some things that I normally would go through during shows. I'm going to walk you guys through some of those things and show you what it's all about. Alright, it's time for a new tire. This thing's pretty bald on the left from drifting. It's got quite a bit of life left on the right. I haven't really worn down that side too much, but yeah, it's got some chunks taken out of it from hitting metal and stuff. Could still ride this tire quite a bit, but being that we have a show coming up, we need a tire with as much life as possible, so I'm gonna get this thing swapped out. Got a crack in my fairing the other day, which is super sad. This fork seal is leaking. It's been a while since I've had a blown fork seal. I think it has been due to cranking the bike down real tight. One of the best things I've done in here is install this mini split AC unit. It's peak summer outside, but it makes it nice and cool in here. It can work on everything I need to work on and stay nice and cool. So, I've heard a lot of good things about these Dunlop Sport Max GPR 300s. For the first time in a long time, I'm kind of free to run whatever tire I'd like, so I'm going to give this thing a try, see if it helps with some of the things that I'm wanting to do on the bike. Doing a little cleaning of the sprocket and realized it's probably about time for a new one. Teeth are starting to narrow out, get a little bent. This thing's seen better days, that's for sure. Project for another day. Can't forget, gotta pump the brakes, get those calipers back. I like to keep a little checklist. Dry erase board here, reminds me of all the stuff I gotta do. So, all right, we're gonna be using this Motool chain clean and chain lube. It's looking pretty gross. See you in a minute. Cage maintenance, super big deal on these things because motor mounts come loose. When the cage hits the ground, it essentially just becomes a slide hammer, and it can break the frame, do some real damage, strip out motor mounts, things that are bigger projects than you want to have. Alright, well thank you guys once again for hanging out with me today. Really hope to see some of you guys out there on Thursday night. It would be awesome to have you guys. Until next time guys, thank you.